2. Find the coefficient of x in x minus 8, x minus 11. Solution. We have x minus 8 into bracket x minus 11. Now the first thing to do is for us to expand these algebraic products. So to expand this, what do? We take the first one, the first term in the first binomial expression, we have x. We use it to multiply everything here, x minus 11. Then we use the second term, which is what? Minus 8. We use it to multiply everything here, that is what? X minus 11 also. Now, expanding the bracket, x times x, we have x squared. X times minus 11, we have minus 11x. Now, minus 8 times x, what do we have? Minus 8x. Now, minus 8 times minus 11. Minus times minus is what? Plus. Then 8 times 11 is what? 88. Now, we now have x squared minus 11 minus 8. When you have 11 plus 8 is 19. 11 plus 8 is 19. Now, when you now have addition of minus 11 and minus 8, meaning minus 11 plus minus 8, that will give us minus 19. So it's the same thing as minus 11 minus 8. It's the addition of minus 11 and minus 8. That will give us minus 19. So here we have minus 19x plus 88. Now, the question is asking us to find the coefficient of x in these products. Now, what do? The coefficient of x after the expansion. We have here, what is the number in front of x? The number in front of x is minus 19. So we say coefficient of x. Coefficient of x equals to what? The number in front of x. That is minus 19. That's the solution to the problem. Thank you.